Guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can appeal ban on Yubo. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Yubo app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just go on the top right corner to this profile icon and then go to settings from here. Once you go over here, you can go to help option, let it load for a while, and then go to I have a question. So this can be done by going on Google and then just pressing support Yubo, and then you'll be over here like this. So you can see it's loaded. Now have your email address, have your phone number or username, and select who you are to Yubo, and then type your request. So about what? Your account, your app, your safety, your data and everything. And in the description just type that you want to appeal for a ban on Yubo, and then you can add any attachments over here. You can add, let's say, screenshots or photos or anything, and then just press on submit, and that's done, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.